Having your own membership is an amazing way to make a passive income while you deliver value to the people that are enrolled in your membership. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to build a membership site. You can get started with this right away. I will show you everything from which platform you need to use to the steps that you need to take in order to start your membership website. So without further ado, let's get started and jump right in. For this, we will be using the tool that is called FreshLearn. And once you sign up to FreshLearn, this is the dashboard that you will see. So within our dashboard, we can actually start creating a new product. And for this, we call it a course. And it doesn't have to be a course, it will be your new membership website. So we click on create new course, and here we have two options. The option that we want to select is the playlist option. This allows us to create a Netflix style premium membership with video content only. Now I'm just gonna select it right here. And now I can give it a name, like the Golden Video Marketing Membership. Then we give it a description. So here you describe what your membership is about. Now we can upload our own custom thumbnail. So if you have a thumbnail, you can select it right here. And then we can click on create course. So here we have our Golden Video Marketing Membership. And right now we can start working on what's inside of our membership. So with this, you have the option to just upload video only. And that's also the kind of membership that you're looking for. So within this, we have our modules. And within the modules, we have our chapter. So you can give your module a name if you'd like to. You can just customize it right here. So you can give it a name, module 1, or you can even say like episode 1, how to get started with video editing. Now within that module, then you can give it a few chapters. So I'm gonna do chapter 1, and then as our chapter 1, I'm gonna name it chapter 1, the basics. And now all I can do right here is, as you can see, I can just add a video or I can embed a video. So if you have your video, you can just upload it directly on here. I'm just going to give an example. So I have a video laying around right here. This is a 9x16, but you will be using a 16x9 video for this. Now you can have this start uploading, and once you're ready, you can start to publish this, or you can put it on draft. So I'm going to put it on publish. And now we can allow what we want to have on there. We can show the progress bar. We can show the forward option. We can also show the playback option. If you don't want to have that on there, then for example, you see right here, I can toggle it off. I can also select if I don't want people to rewind it. So you can do everything that you want so people don't really skip through your videos. For example, this way, people have to watch the entire thing to get through it. And you can also give them a percentage that you need to watch. So for example, let's say they need to watch at least 70%. Then they can move forward to the next video. But I'm not going to do that in this. And I'm just going to tell you because there is an option to do this for you. And now we just put everything back in there. And I'm just going to toggle it off. And now I'm going to save it. And this is literally what you do for all of your chapters, for all of your episodes that you can put in there. So once you've uploaded all your episodes in your playlist, then you can move over to the next step, which is setting up the pricing. Now for the pricing, we can add our plan right here, and we have 3 different options. And as you want to have it as a membership, we're going to go for recurring. So with recurring, you have the option to send them like every week, every month, or every year a invoice where they have to pay it in order to get access to your membership. Now, for the typical membership, I would suggest doing this every month, and then you can give it a name. Now for this, I'm going to give it a name premium. And now we can select the amount of, and now we can select the price that comes with this. So for this, I'm going to do like $20 per month. So then we can have some add-ons. So we can add some product information. We can also add some additional fields if we want to. So for example, we can collect the customer's billing address if we'd like to. You can do all of that in here. We can also change the theme to make it more custom to our needs. And especially if you have a certain site that you want to match the color of, you can do that right here. So once you're happy with your checkout page, you just click on save, and now your page is saved and we can move on to the next part. So now we're ready to move over to the next part, and that is drip. And drip is literally what Netflix also has. So remember, for example, when a new season of Stranger Things drops out, then what Netflix does, they deliver a new episode every week. And this is exactly what you can do with Drip also. So for example, with our first chapter, we can release it after a number of days, or we can even release it on a certain date if we want to. And this way you can schedule your course ahead, and you can say like, over the course of 52 weeks, I will deliver a new update every week. And you can do that in here by selecting your date, uploading it, and then once you're ready, you can publish it. And then once that date drops by, then your episode will be released to your members of your course. Another thing you can do is you can give your members a certificate if they complete your membership. So let's say, for example, you have done a 52-week membership, and after they've completed it, they can get a certificate right here. If you click on add on it, then you have that entire format right here. You can completely customize all of this. So this way you have a custom membership that your people enrolled in your membership will get. Now that we have our membership ready, you can now start creating your landing page, and we can do so right here. So here you can click on any page that you want to use if you already have one. Otherwise, you can also click on add new page. I already have one, so I'm just going to use one of these, which will be, let me see, which will be this one. And now we click on save, and now it will be automatically linked to that page. So here, for example, I have my landing page, and what I can do now within FreshLearn, if I go and publish my page, then I have my link, and I can link this back to my website. So if I go to my landing page right here, so we go to website, pages, and then we go to this one. We are in the editor right now, and here we can edit our entire website. So we can make it even more custom to our needs to have our own custom landing page for our membership website. Now, if we go over to choose the best plan for you, then I'm just going to keep it as followed. So I'm going to do the pricing will be $20, and then the thing will link through the checkout page that we have created. And now we can have get started now. And then the second tier, I'm just going to delete it because we only have this tier. I will now give it a different name. So the name that I chose, which was premium. And let's say you have different type of memberships. Then you can do, for example, basic, premium, and let's say ultra, for example, to have 3 different types of memberships. Once you're ready, you can just submit it. And now our landing page has been updated. Let me just check it out. So now if we preview it, let me just see it. And we're going to preview it right here. So now if I click on get started now, then you see a new pop-up pops up, and here we have our golden video marketing membership. So this way you literally have your own membership within your own site. It is all fast and easy. You host the entire thing through FreshLearn. And if you want to get started on this yourself, then make sure to click the link in the description. There you can get started with FreshLearn for free. And if you like the tool, then you can always upgrade to a more premium plan. Now, if you've liked this video and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.